Welcome back to our channel. This is Ocean USA Tito Tetute. Come and join us to play the snow and build the snowman. Here! Oh, we will build our snowman here at the top. On the top. How to build the snowman?
So you need to get like one snow like this, and then you keep rolling it gently. Gently. You don't want it hard because you don't want it to crack and all that. But it doesn't have to be perfect.
Oh yeah?
Tyler will make the medium, I'll make the large.
Can you eat the ice now?
The small one, I'd rather make it small.
Yeah,
Jasper!
small.
I
told you.
Oh, he's ruining it. Jasper!
Just make her cry.
Hey, you want some ice, bud? You want
Just
some
the
ice?
one I know.
He's a ruiner.
I can't even carry this. It's like heavier than Jasper. You wanna carry it? Here, look.
Is it?
Carry it.
Oh my god. That is so heavy.
Wait, that's how big it is? Okay, well then I'm done then.
Come on. Okay, put it.
No, smooth it out from the top. Then I can place this.
Jasper, you're trying to ruin their snowman.
Tyler, you might want to smooth some on the top so then we can place this. Yeah. Tyler, done.
Come get it out. Come here.
We already made the main part.
Done.
Come here.
There.
Wait, Daddy. See, that's what happens if you smooth it too much.
Go, Kyla. Go, Kyla.
Guys, this is what happens. This is what happens if you keep smoothing it out too much. Well, I'm gonna take this for the smaller.
Come here, loves. Over here in the front.
Dad, I'm making a snowman. Don't hit me.
Bring it down here, Ken.
Put it here on the middle, loves. Loves, I'm cameraman. Don't do that to me. Is it heavy, loves?
Huh?
Super heavy?
No, it's not heavy.
Yeah. Oh, it's dirty. Dirty snowman.
Who cares?
At least the head's clean.
Is it? Oh, wow.
Put some on.
And then
That looks
Jasper
like a big lump.
and then Jasper going to ruin it.
You headshotted me.
Go ahead, pack the snow in. Oh, that nose is too big. Nose. Very big nose. It looked like duck lip.
The arm.
Ow! The snowman.
Let's see.
Here. I want to decorate.
I'm gonna make its eyes. Kyla.
Is it cold? It's free. Don't ruin the snowman.
Go get your sisters.
I gave him a scarf.
They put something in the eyes. That is rocks.
Yeah, we need rocks. No! Daddy,
Hang on, Ken.
how do you get it in?
You got hit it.
Oh, it's already damaged his face. His stroke face now.
What?
Daddy, over here.
No, Ken.
Yeah, because his face is like a...
Yeah, you're gonna have his big old smile. His face is stroking.
Oh, poor snowman.
Oh, I mean, no.
Huh?
Maybe I
Well, now I
know.
don't have no nose.
Well, Dad, I still have it.
Okay, well, put the.
Well, wait, I'm gonna put the box.
I put my scarf on him.
Oh my god, torture the snowman. That is horror naman. Horror snowman.
Yeah, before.
Daddy!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Lerma, kamukha mo! Lerma de la Cruz!
His face is His face is so beat up now.
You guys are the ones who wanted the rocks.
No, my rock. Ay. Oh my god.